Recently, I have visited one of the biggest tulip garden in the world, Keukenhof. Keukenhof, also known as the Garden of Europe, is one of the world's largest flower gardens, situated in the municipality of Lisse in the Netherlands. According to the official website, Keukenhof Park covers an area of 32 hectares, 79 acres, and approximately 7 million flower bulbs are planted in the garden annually. While it is widely known for its tulips, Keukenhof also features numerous other flowers, including hyacinths, daffodils, lilies, roses, carnation, and irises. Keukenhof is only open to general public for a world-renowned 8-week tulip display from mid-March to mid-May, with peak viewing arriving near mid-April, depending on growing season weather. In 2019, 1.5 million people visited Keukenhof, equivalent to 26,000 visitors per day. In 1857, Baron and Baroness van Beland, at the time owners of the estate, tasked landscape architect Jan David Socher and his son Louis Paul Socher, both designers of Amsterdam's Vondelpark, to restructure the park and grounds around the castle. Those parks, designed in English style, remain the foundations for the gardens. The garden opened to the public in 1950. Keukenhof, the park as it is known, was established in 1949 by a consortium of bulb growers and flower exporters to showcase their products and support the export industry, and received 2 million visitors in this first year. I must agree, this is one of the beautiful gardens in the world I have ever seen. Most of the flowers blossom like heavenly, and the beauty exported the area is tremendous.